Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today I've got with me the Realme GT. This phone, I'm really looking forward to getting into it. I'm going to give you a few of the spec breakdowns, so welcome back to another eFones video. What's going on guys, and welcome to another video. Today we've got the awesome Realme GT. Now this just might be the best phone we've ever had spec wise on a video, so I'm quite excited to have a look at this. I mean, look at the size of this box. It's like double the size of a normal phone. It looks absolutely brilliant. Realme's really stepped it up on this one, I think, in terms of box design. It looks really cool, really slick, really futuristic, and the phone itself, if you've seen it online, looks awesome as well. So I'm actually really excited to open this up and have a look at what's inside. I'm gonna go ahead and cover some of the more cool specs, I think, and then we'll dive a bit deeper later on. But just off the bat, on the back of the box, it does have a lot of the key ones here, so I'm going to read off these for you, as these are clearly the ones that Realme want to highlight. But this is the Realme GT, and it is 5G, and it has the brand new Snapdragon 888 5G processor, and that's from Qualcomm, which, if you know Qualcomm Snapdragon, is an incredible chipset to have anyway. And this has got basically the flagship brand new one packed inside this Realme GT. So you don't have to worry about, gaming or anything, or 5G specs. You've got it all in here, and that is also combined with the 8GB RAM that you have. So you're going to be good for the gaming side and the processing side of stuff. The charge that you're going to need for that is clearly a big battery, because it's going to drain. It has got 4,500 mAh, so you're not going to really worry about it a lot. It's not the biggest battery you've seen in a phone, but it is absolutely colossal. But if you do need to charge that up, which probably not going to be very frequent, but you do have a 65 watt super dart charger inside here as well, which means whenever you need to, you can charge to 100% in under about 35 minutes, which is absolutely incredible. We'll show you some of the cool little charging animations later as well. They're pretty cool as well. In terms of display, this again has an incredibly good spec display. It does have a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, so I don't know if you guys are too interested in displays, but that's pretty cool in my opinion. You're not going to have any of that lag when you're scrolling through menus, playing games. It's going to be super smooth. So yeah, I look forward to seeing that on some of the games as well. And obviously that AMOLED display, absolutely beautiful. So it's going to be great. And then finally, to top it off, if you couldn't think it could get any better spec-wise, it does have a 64 megapixel Sony sensor main camera. That's a mouthful, but that is an absolutely incredible camera as well. So far it's lining up to be pretty impressive. I'm looking forward to getting it open and just having a look inside. So yeah, let's jump to that. But first off, we're gonna unbox it so you can see a little bit of the old unboxing experience, because it is quite cool, and I do have to admit I did open it already just to have a quick look. So underneath this you have the "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." If you're familiar with Realme products, which we are here, this is always the phrase they use. It is a little bit of a different background to what's usually on there, but yeah, that's the normal there. Inside this little pouch then, if I open this up, you have obviously your phone case there, all your guides, your warranty, that's all there as well. Now, because we got this phone quite early, this is sort of our sample tester one, and all the sort of first versions of this phone we got did come with an EU charger in here, but it is still 65 watt. Some of the later ones we're going to get obviously quite soon will have UK chargers, but for now this one's got an EU charger. So if you're worrying or thinking why have they got an EU one, that's just because it's our sort of sample batch that we've got to begin with, just to sort of test them out, sell a couple to people, see what's going on. But yeah, it does come with a USB Type-C charger here as well, which is always useful. Surprisingly, it does come with a pair of headphones, which you don't always see that now on all these new sort of models. And then if I just pop the phone out, underneath that you can see that 65 watt super dart charger that I was talking about. So yeah, pretty impressive bit of kit there, pretty bulky as well. But yeah, should be able to charge a phone super quick. Anyway, that's enough of what's in the box. Let's get on to the sort of main event, and let's pop the phone out and we can have a look at the Realme GT itself. So here it is, guys. Now this looks absolutely awesome, and it has got this sort of live background on it, which is pretty cool. It looks great, absolutely beautiful. The colour we've got here is dashing blue, and it looks absolutely beautiful, although I've already noticed it's a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. So if I give that a bit of a clean, you might get a better idea. It looks beautiful though, and that camera is so clean. The whole thing looks very futuristic and very modern. Yeah, it's a great looking phone, isn't it? So this does retail for £399 at the moment, which I think is an absolute bargain, because the specs of this are what a flagship should be, really. And I mean, when you compare it to some of the other flagships in the sort of same category, spec-wise, it does either match or outperform it for a price of sort of a mid-range phone, which is absolutely insane. So this is already pretty impressive. What we're going to do quickly is we're going to play a couple of games, mess around on it a little bit, and just, you know, get to know the phone a bit so I can give my honest opinion on it. Anyway, guys, there's a little bit of gaming for you. What we are going to do in the future, just because you can't really do Antutu as accurately as you used to be able to, is we're going to sort of benchmark it against previous phones that we've had before, just so we can show you the upgrade. Because phones, I don't know if you guys, you know, you probably are pretty interested. Phones just go crazy. Every 6 months you've got something mental more coming out to phones, so they're just constantly progressing. So what we're going to do is sort of keep like a tally, almost like a benchmark against phones, and, you know, give my opinion on it. So I give this an easy 9.5 for phone. I think this phone is absolutely phenomenal. If it was yellow, if I had the yellow one, it might even be a 9.6. But this colorway looks great. I like the yellow one a little bit more, but the phone itself is absolutely cracking. I can go into more details if you guys want to see that in the future, but as far as our little quick one goes, 9.5. And we'll benchmark against another phone in the future for you. So thanks very much, guys, for watching. If you've got any questions at all, as always, leave it in the comments below and we'll be sure to get back to you. If you want to buy this phone, as always, it's on all of our storefronts. So that's eFones.com, eFones on Amazon, or eFones on eBay. You can buy them all there. So let us know, guys, what you think about this new Realme GT, guys. Pick it up if you want, $499. Links will all be in the description. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.